Todd, where are you?
Way over here.
Way over here. Oh, wait, let me walk a mile before I can get to the end of you. Go ahead. All right. Spill it.
Spill it. Hey, folks. Todd from Rat Stash here, and guess where we're at? We're at our new storage unit.
Okay, so we got a super huge
We did. This
deal.
is a 10 by 30.
A 10 by 30.
Yes.
We got a super huge deal.
We did. We need it.
It's empty, which I really love.
Damn.
Damn, right? Did you just say damn? Todd, can you hear me? Me.
Whoa, Mr. Wizard.
Can you hear me? All right, first load in.
Yeah.
First load in.
Yeah.
Why are we doing this? Because first of all, we got a really great deal.
Yeah.
Yes, it's bigger than we need, but in the same sense, it's cheaper than what we had.
Yes.
Right? It's
It
cheaper.
makes no sense, but it does.
That makes no sense. Nothing really makes sense, but it was cheaper than what we had. So yes, we have a big facility here, but listen, we're going to be filling this up. Anyway, but it's going to be nice because now I have a whatnot station. I have a crafting station. I can do everything right here. And look at, you're gonna hang my sign.
I can put this up right here.
You're gonna put that right there, so then I have my little thing as to what sales, what events. This is gonna be organized, and it's going to be also like my office, not mine, but our office.
Yeah.
Whatnot station, working area, the whole 9 yards.
Yes.
So, yay, high five.
Yeah. If you need more shelving though.
Okay, now we got to take stuff from that storage unit and bring it down here. Who wants to help?
Yeah.
Who wants to help? Help! All right. Let's make another trip. Okay, 3 loads in. We have a little corner here going. So we have some really neat stuff back here. Now, a lot of these boxes we have to even go through. But look at this Wells Fargo Overland Stagecoach. That's a model. Old mousetrap game, a Kentucky rifle. So there's actually some pretty cool things in here. Look at this old little carriage, an ironing board from like probably the early 1900s. But look at this is so neat. These are feed bags that are framed in glass. So look at the feed bags. This one's my favorite. Dutch Boy. Look at that one. Linseed oil meal. 100 pounds when packed. Look at that. And they are all framed under glass. So I have tons of them. This one's like a Patriot one. An Archer. So look at that. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. All right. Let's see where Todd's at. I'm out of breath. Oh no, Todd's got one all the way down there. He's loading it up. More to go.
All right, folks, you see what a little hard work does? About a half hour, 45 minutes of time, and look behind me here. Got a lot of stuff in here already.
We got a lot of stuff in
and
here.
A big old hole in the other unit, too. So,
big hole in the other unit,
yep.
Which is good because we ended up getting this house clean out and we got it separated because I have to inventory all this stuff.
We do.
And then put it on shelving and stuff like that.
So after doing this, we're actually getting ourselves organized.
Again.
We had it organized, and then a clean out just happens.
Well, we had 2 clean outs.
We did.
Back to back, which was really.
And the thing is, we're not done with that clean out yet.
No, we have the basement yet to do, but but we have. That's the problem is it's just us 2 running this business, so we don't have employees to do that.
Employee.
Yeah, me too. We're unpaid employees. Book a nice vacation. We'll book a nice vacation after this.
We'll probably have another house clean up at that point.
No, I already got a phone call. I turned one down.
Okay.
I turned one. Well, Todd,
I know.
I work a full-time job. You work a full-time job.
I know.
I was just in the hospital. Let's not overwhelm it.
Are you kidding me? We have between midnight and 6 in the morning to get this done.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
We don't need sleep.
Sure. Plus our eBay is on fire and we sold more things today.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining at all.
No.
Like, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. We're selling like crazy, but it is on fire. So, all right, listen, dude, we got to go home because guess what? In 45 minutes, we have a live show on YouTube.
Exactly.
Every Monday night, 8 o'clock.
So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rat Stash, as well as our Facebook and Instagram. This young lady here works very hard on those and puts out a lot of good information out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, every Monday night, as she said, Rat Chat on YouTube.
Rat Chat on YouTube. 8 o'clock, 45 minutes. We gotta go.
We gotta go.
We gotta go.
See you
Come
folks
on.
later.
Bye.